Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how you can play Fortnite on your Mac. As I'm recording this video, Fortnite is no longer officially available on Mac because Epic Games is currently in a dispute with Apple. So, we need to find an alternative way to play Fortnite. To get around this, we're going to use a cloud gaming service to stream Fortnite on our Mac. The cloud gaming service we'll be using today is GeForce Now because they offer a free tier, unlike some other alternatives. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Once you're on the GeForce Now website, scroll down and click on Join Now. Then, find the membership tiers. As you can see, they offer a free tier with a 1-hour session length. However, you can simply restart that session to get another hour, and you can do this as many times as you'd like. When you're ready, click the Join button next to the free tier and simply sign up for an NVIDIA GeForce account. Once you've signed up, go back to the home page. Now we need to download the platform. To do this, click on the download option at the very top. On the download page, scroll down and find the macOS platform and click Download underneath it. Choose where you want to download the installer. I'm going to choose my Downloads folder. Now that we have GeForce Now downloaded, we need to install it. Find the installer you downloaded earlier and open it up. Simply drag and drop the GeForce Now logo into the Applications folder. After a few seconds, it will be installed. Once it's installed, you can exit the installer and delete it if you'd like. And don't forget to eject it from your Mac OS system. Now we have GeForce Now downloaded, so we can open the application. Because it's a new application, you'll get a prompt, so click Open. Once the application opens, it will look like this. Click on the green Get In button. This will open your web browser and prompt you to log into your GeForce account that you created earlier. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. Now we need to connect our Epic Games account to our GeForce Now account so we can play Fortnite. Click on the settings icon in the top left-hand corner, and then click into Settings. You'll see all your connected accounts on the right-hand side. I've already connected my Steam account, so I can play my Steam games. We want to connect our Epic Games account, so click the Connect button. This will automatically open your web browser to the Epic Games website where you want to sign into your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, scroll down and click on Create Account. Once you've signed in, it will ask for permission, so click Allow. Then close out of your web browser and go back to the GeForce Now application. As you can see, we are now fully signed into our Epic Games account. To play Fortnite on your Mac, go back to the home page by going to the hamburger menu. Click on the search bar at the top and type in Fortnite. It should be the first result. Click into it and then click on Mark as Owned. You'll get a prompt, so click Yes, Continue. Now that we've marked Fortnite as owned, we can play it by clicking on the Play button. After a few seconds, it will analyze your network to see if it supports playing games over the internet. Once it's successful, it's going to put you in a queue. As you can see, I'm currently in a queue of 21. Okay, and as you can see, we are finished queuing and we are now loading into Fortnite. This took about 3 minutes, but waiting times can vary. And as you can see, we are now playing Fortnite on the Mac and can start playing it just as we normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.